How to cancel an order on Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can cancel an order on Facebook Marketplace. How do you get about this? The first thing to do is to log into your Facebook account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in into your Facebook account, you scroll down until you see by the left side of the screen, you see a menu, right? Go ahead and select payments and orders and payments. Yes, orders and payments. That's our focus in this tutorial. In case you do not see orders and payments, just go ahead and click on see more. See more is located at the last place or last position on this menu. Once you click on see more, other options will be displayed and then you can select the one you want. But for this tutorial, you can see orders and payments here. So I'll just click on it. Once you click on orders and payments, you'll be taken to your payment history etc page. Now on this page, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu, right? Displaying home activity recurring payment settings. That's our focus. Just go ahead and click on settings. Once you click on settings, you will be brought to the settings page. Now, on this settings page, currently I have not made any orders. That is why this page is empty. But for you, you will see the orders that you have made here. All you need to do is to tap on the order you want to cancel. All that is done, scroll down and tap cancel order. Then tap the option cancel order to confirm. Once that is done, your order will be cancelled automatically. This is how you can cancel a Facebook Marketplace order. That is to cancel an order on Facebook Marketplace. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.